In this video, we will see how to make Instagram account private. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel and click the bell icon to get video updates like this. Your subscription matters. Please subscribe. Open your Instagram app in your phone. Next, click on the profile image in the bottom right. Next, click this 3 horizontal bar menu icon on the right-hand top corner. Next, click Settings tab in the bottom. Next, click on Privacy tab in Settings screen. Next, click Account Privacy tab. And next on this screen, click this button and make your account private, and only those you approve can see your videos or photos or following list. Business Instagram account can't be made private. You need to switch it to personal account and make it private. With this, we come to the end of this video tutorial. Please like, comment and share the video if it was helpful, and also subscribe to my channel to get updates when new content is added. Thank you.